In today's video, we are going to compare the OnePlus Nord 3 against the Samsung Galaxy A54. With the Samsung A54 already in the market, it wins this round. Both have the same thickness, but the Nord 3 is lighter, so it wins this round. Both have the same build, but the Samsung A54 has a better ingress protection rating, so it wins this round. The OnePlus Nord 3 has a brighter display and bigger display size, so it wins this round. The OnePlus Nord 3 also has a higher display resolution, so it wins again. Both run Android 13, so it is a tie. The OnePlus Nord 3 obviously has a better chipset, so the Nord 3 wins again. The Samsung A54 offers an expandable storage, but the OnePlus Nord 3 offers the same internal storage and a bigger RAM, so the Nord 3 wins. The Samsung A54 has a wider ultra-wide camera and better macro camera, so it wins here. The Samsung A54 offers a slower 480 FPS slow-mo video, so it wins here again. The Samsung A54 has a higher front camera resolution, so it wins here. The Samsung A54 has a better Bluetooth version, so it wins here. Both have almost the same sensor, so I will give it a tie. The OnePlus Nord 3 offers faster charging, so I will give it a point. The Samsung A54 offers more colors, so I will give it a point. The OnePlus Nord 3 is cheaper while having a bigger RAM, so it wins this round. These are the pros and cons of each device. In my opinion, I will go for the OnePlus Nord 3 because it is cheaper while offering a better performance. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you.